When you sign into your school email, you may notice a notification to change your password. This password is linked to your Google account. It's the same username and password that you use to sign in to your Google account. You should click Change It Now. What are my password requirements, you may ask? Great question. Your password must be at a minimum 8 characters long, and it cannot be one that you have already used. You will need at least one character from 3 of the following 4 categories: a lowercase letter, uppercase letter, a number, and a special character. Things to remember when creating your new password. Your password protects your data and your identity. So when creating a new password, you don't want to make it so simple that it would take an average hacker no time to gain access to your data and your identity. You can see from the chart on the right that the more complex you make your password, the harder it will be to hack your identity and your data. After you have clicked on the link to change your password, you will begin by typing in your old and current password. You will then type in your new password, and then for the second time in the box underneath it, you will confirm your new password. Be sure to click Save when you are done. If you receive this error message, it is okay. This is the system's way of telling you your password is not safe and secure. Go back and repeat the process for your new password, confirm your new password, and click Save until you no longer get this error message. Do not at this time click Update Password when that Chrome box pops up. If you click Save and you do not get that pop-up error message, it's going to log you out of your email and the Save Password dialog box is going to pop up. You should now click to update your password. Hooray! Once you have successfully changed your password, your Chromebook will give you a notification in the lower right-hand corner that there is a sign-in error. Click Sign Out of your Chromebook, and then you will sign back in using your new password. After you have signed into your Chromebook with your new password, there will be a safety protocol that pops up asking you for your old password. This is just a safety precaution to make sure that your identity has not been compromised. Thank you for watching, and special thank you to Eleanor for providing the screenshots so that we could show you how to change your password. If you have any problems changing your password, contact your teacher. They should be able to provide assistance for you.